Ever pondered the magic behind creating text to speech and video with artificial intelligence? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of AI and unravel the process behind this technological marvel. The first step in this journey is understanding what text-to-speech, often abbreviated as TTS, actually is. In the simplest terms, it is a form of speech synthesis that converts written text into a voice output. This technology has been around for a while, but it's only with the advent of artificial intelligence that it has truly blossomed. Now, how does AI come into play? The answer lies in a subset of AI called machine learning. With machine learning, computers can learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. This is the crux of how we create text-to-speech with AI. The process begins with training the AI model. This involves feeding the model a vast amount of text data and corresponding sound files. The model will then analyze this data, learning the nuances of human speech such as intonation, stress, and rhythm. Once the model is adequately trained, it's time to put it to work. When given a piece of text, the model employs its training to generate the corresponding speech. The result is an audio file that sounds remarkably like a human voice, complete with the correct pronunciation, emphasis, and inflection. Now, let's turn our attention to creating video with AI. This process is a bit more complex, but the basic principles remain the same. Instead of training the model on text and audio data, we train it on video data. This might include various types of footage, such as people talking, landscapes, or even animated sequences. The AI model learns to understand the patterns and structures in this data, and then uses this understanding to generate new, original video content. The result can be as simple as a short clip of a sunset, or as complex as a full-length animated movie. In conclusion, the process of creating text-to-speech and video with AI involves training an AI model on relevant data and then using this model to generate new content. It's a fascinating blend of technology and creativity, and the possibilities are truly limitless. To recap, the magic of creating text-to-speech and video with AI lies in machine learning. With the right training data, AI models can learn to mimic human speech and generate video content. The results are not only mesmerizing, but they also open up a world of possibilities in terms of accessibility and creative expression. So the next time you hear a computer-generated voice or watch an AI-created video, remember the incredible technology and intricate process behind it. And who knows, maybe you'll be inspired to create something with AI yourself.